Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Ahomachi we na me ba bonten be breaking news stream say Western Togoland for womo akwa blocky ekwan ama nkrofo aye stranded. Na ase Ghana for asem no yanheda enhu ne kase saa. Na asem ne yasem bia it was very very huge. Nancy ne beto aso na subscribe na click the notification bell no and no and the screen so sisia we yarn the latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka. Etiefo asem ne very very huge and I mean okay say I have a lot of things to say on that particular matter because stories are abano enye easy nipa ewu efrim adia and they see ye na yen ye hu ne say ye roadblock ekeno nipa femu ewu. There are some way being so news no Nkrofo air reporting news now they are getting it wrong. Me ya report me breaking news no anopa no Western Togoland for being so a contact me send me audios ne sam enyama bi just wo side no now yanko nsem ni mu Sadia way was very serious so. And let me tell you this. Nkrofo no ekọ block kwan na ahomache be 3 o'clock. Now sana ahomache be 3 o'clock ombe block kwan no. Look at what happened. Beya 1 a.m. and a woman sorry ye ekọ kwan ho say woman ko block road no. Na baby a woman ko ye ade no. Police stations too. Aveyime and mepe mambodi ni amofa nche me police stations. Na sa Western Togoland for yi eko attack these police stations. Address police for 2 AK-47 bako 10. Western Togoland for yi SCZ etuo no. Munti asem it was very serious so. Western Togoland for ni CZ etuo police for etuo bako 10. Na die see ye ne say womo shoot police commander kra bako. Yes. Aveyime divisional commander a friend Superintendent Dennis Fiakui ono and then the driver ye bomutio because the Western Togoland people overcame the police. Omo ahondin Nelson since our 2 police stations it overcame the police. Omo bo police we need 20 police commander no ene the driver ye rashi omo ko hospital. Na womo wie ye no and na womo call these 2 police stations na omo ayachi omo for counterback no and na Western Togoland for release womo nina and na womo edwane ye. Now you see that wasn't the end of the matter. Womo we na womo take you hostage of police for you. But the same way police for amba bonti ambeka because womo nim so omba beka in a way na as e be cause fear and panic to Ghanaians. Ghana for be who say hey sa de ne na serious sa. So a secret communique between police for no and na CTFM for womansa ekan e no be ready and the communique showed what these people did to these 2 police stations. Adia womokoye police station one no. So that explains didn't ya womoko blocking road no na womo tututio. Etiefo yesi sa no and na Ghana Armed Forces and the police for reinforcement by. Now you see reinforcement ni by no. Western Togoland for na kamwa dwen say masa yendwane. So they didn't run. Emma womuni police for na ni asoja for ne totoye. Emma Western Togoland for no womu nipa baako etuo kan ne mane wuye. Yes. Nsemo a eba no no. Etuo kan no emma ne wuye. Ebi mu nso praye. Na omo mu praye no ye de omo ekoso Gakope Government Hospital. Western Togoland for na womu praye no. Chale, they were ready to die. Masa, they were ready to die. Na omo wie ye no na mebo Ghana police for any security for no abaso. Omo wie ye no they didn't end there. They went on the grounds. Emma womo ko ni name Aveyime mepe akuse Diapon Eastern region womo de omo ni to for na de omo ye adwuma. Womo de omo ni to form ye adwuma pa and that me no ka say. Womo to me arrest 30 over 30. And yet 30 people, to me arrest over 30 people of South Western Togoland for you. Ya airlifting omo every ho aba in crime. And that me say they are in the custody of the BNI. Now in Crawford, I make say over 30 no. 30 of them were arrested in Juapon, the eastern region. Just say, Massa, they didn't stand at one place. So in Crawford, no more bro mumujeni. It's in a bit more voter region, a bit more eastern region. Into police watch 30 of them, Juapon in the eastern region. And I'm watching Nipa Bako, Akusi, a year voter region. And also near say what can be. Now, Crawford, ya chill mui. In Mama 30 and our Baba. Now, what share our ages are between 16 and 70 years. And the police were lining on more, a bit more, who say yes. And they've been arrested. Massa, it wasn't a simple thing. At the end, air cost is serious. As I said, ya so my baby akwa do no. To the extent say in Krofui they had the effrontery to fire back at the police. They had the effrontery to go to the police station to release inmates. They had the effrontery to shoot the police commander. It's here for baby adene do no. Ya nhwe ni ye anka ni ye a. And you see, for me no, one thing I don't understand. In Kofuya and they arrest you. This is not the first time. These people have been arrested more than 3 times. Ya arrest you pia ni eja omo. Ya arrest you pia ni eja. Eya na menti ase. Leader nanka sakra last year was the last 2 years. Ya arrest no. Later assembly ye ni baby ekopie eni eja no. Earlier this year, yes, also arrested woman Crawford. I think it was late last year or earlier this year. Woman Crawford need omu training as soldiers. You can arrest you omo. Later you better understand your baba be jomo. We more yes also arrest you omo. No, we don't know what will happen. But a precedents are a down. I will not be shocked. Say later you baba be katem so we are yachi omo over 30 people I arrest you omo krani ye ja omo. Now be who say what is happening? Because we yachi omo what do they do? Enema ye ja omo sa. Etiefo ade no enya bote sa enye easy. Nkrofo kasa but Mr. Ghana for Mr. Mo there is a lot of misconception on this particular matter. I say people don't have info on this matter, but they just want to speak just for speaking's sake. Mr. Mo sa Western Togoland for enya aigbefuo na wo mo pesa wo mo ti wo mo ho. And report ametie nina, especially from the Twi speaking some of the Twi speaking platforms. Asema wo mo kan na aigbefuo no mo pesa wo mo ti wo mo ho and voter region for no pesa wo mo ti wo mo. Mesremo, there are a lot of people who are Ewes who come from voter region, but they are against our Western Togoland for yi. I have a lot of Ewe friends who are not in support of Southwestern Togoland for it. Let's separate them. Mayenka say, before no person tiomo. Na sorry on person tiomo. Don't attribute it to Ewes. A lot of people are doing that, and that is wrong. And yet Ewes na ISO mo tiomo. Nkrofo bi na wo muso say ni. And then let me go to Western Togoland for our more contact me. Me see videos ni documents a wo mo asend me no enye easy. Wo mo pese wo mo prove me yes story no. One person wo mo prove say no, they are right. In the sense say yes, if they are requesting for freedom, they are right. That's what they are saying. Me dey ansem no. O ma send me documents ni nyama, but I can't really verify those documents into no. Enya dey am to me dey abaha. Say me ba be ready because ebe say I am misinforming a lot of people. So obekwa ko hwem na bia documents we can share that na genuine say they are. But the documents, let me say the truth, they look very authentic. A trace say yes, Western Togoland for you can say wo mo meka Ghana for ho den chese nsem bebre. Me document no mo send ma me doso. Me ready ba ko mienu miensa e na omo sanso frame me e na omo kan nsem bia tre me. But me there I still stand with where I stand. Sa independence thing no, it is not needed. Please, like it is not why? It is that's where me I stand though. That's where I stand. Ubi so Moses here. Me mamoti as I say, I have a baba. Baba na me wono ono waka me plain. So we Western Togoland ni. Waka me plain. But you see, eya na me bisa na asemba akopa me bisa omu nia wo muntumi answer me. Eya na me bisa na say, okay. Sisi independence da mo se mo peno. Like aden ye mo yakayaka dia na mo se mo pe independence ana. Ubonsa afi answer no muntumi answer. And you see, even in the Volta region there, Krano, and you will be so why is it that just a group of people will say we want independence, whilst the majority are not saying they want it? Just say, and I'm saying so a babon to say Nkrofuya kukudra womunya womu etumi stage and there womu stage ye simple you for dio muchinenye easy. Penny 4 pen dio muchinenye easy. That's what we are hearing. In some way, yet no. It's a very, very influential people. They are part of this Western Togoland thing. And surely, yeah, I deal with the Eddie and Bedruno. Don't tell what your comment, but you know, in some no, what they did baffled me.